Ever wondered how colossal loads navigate the tightest roads? Join us as we explore the thrilling world of heavy equipment transport, where every inch counts and precision is key. Are these drivers up to the challenge? Will it get stuck? Looks like there's only a few inches of clearance under the overpass. The trailers have to be lowered to make it under this overpass. The deeper I dive into this field, the more I realize just how flexible these vehicles can be. The challenge isn't over yet. The journey continues through the tightest roads. Moving a 78-ton wind turbine tower through these narrow paths requires flawless coordination. Every turn angle, center of gravity, and load distribution must be calculated down to the millimeter for safety. Watch the team in action. That driver had guts, I'll give him that. Full throttle up a steep grade takes serious skill. How does it feel to see a Liebherr L566 wheel loader floating at 88,200 feet in the air? Absolutely mind-blowing. Talk about delivery service. No trucks? No problem. The Swiss just said, let's throw it on a cable and send it up. Problem solved. Imagine ordering a 24-ton wheel loader and having it dropped off by air. Now that's next-level Amazon Prime. At a minimum, the government must widen these roads to handle such heavy trucks. Truckers avoid foot brakes entirely to prevent overheating and rely solely on low gears and exhaust braking to stay below 30 kilometers per hour. But why are overloaded trucks even allowed here? There is no pride in this. It's an invitation to disaster. Under the relentless downpour, a 520-ton slurry hopper embarks on a grueling journey from Kazakhstan to Uzbekistan. Managing traction, balancing weight, and navigating weather hazards all require precision planning and real-time adjustments. Will the team overcome the storm? Let's dive into this incredible challenge. These slippery roads are no joke. A container truck, unable to stop, slid freely down the slippery slope, coming inches from a disastrous head-on collision. After the rain, every vehicle must proceed with extreme caution. Have you ever heard of runaway truck ramps? These emergency escape lanes are meticulously designed with deep gravel or sand to absorb a truck's momentum. It's an incredible tool that saves lives. Imagine being in an emergency where you have no brakes, seeing an emergency runaway lane, and feeling relieved, only to see there's already someone in it. Got to admit, that driver's steering skills are top-notch. All right, folks, let's break this down. How do you move 250 tons safely over 270 kilometers? First, you need the right rig, specialized routes, and an experienced crew. It's not just about size, it's about balance, torque management, and structural integrity. A single miscalculation could mean road damage or disaster. Watch a team in action on this journey, and you'll see exactly what I mean. Let's talk smart heavy machinery transport. Meet the Hercules off-highway trailer, built tough to haul up to 300 tons. Its high-strength steel frame prevents deformation, while its multi-axle design reduces ground impact. Hydraulic or pneumatic suspension minimizes vibrations, and dual loading options boost flexibility. A powerhouse for the toughest jobs. The tractor built for the bold. Meet the LKT-81 Turbo. This legendary machine conquers the toughest terrain with unrivaled power and durability. Are you ready to take the wheel? Hold on tight. A massive excavator, secured on a heavy-duty hauler, is snaking its way through a treacherous mountain pass. Every twist, every turn is a battle against gravity. And that bucket? It's more than just a tool. It's the key to balance. Drop to the ground. It could be the lifeline keeping this beast steady and upright. Demolition excavator operators must exercise extreme caution in these high-risk conditions. There's no room for mistakes. Try this new solution when transporting oversized cargo. Combine two sets of hydraulic modular trailers for efficient and stable hauling. The transport of these brewery vessels demanded expert handling. J.B. Rockcliffe & Sons Limited relied on hydraulic modular trailers for precise load balancing. The route, though short, posed major technical challenges, requiring coordinated steering and suspension adjustments to counter road conditions. A re-tow ring could have enhanced stability by offering additional pivot control, reducing strain on the main steering system. Wow, that's nerve-wracking to watch. I can't believe they maneuvered that turn. That turn pushed the truck's suspension and braking systems to the limit. But a breakdown mid-route? Likely overheating or component fatigue. Routine maintenance and predictive diagnostics are crucial. Catching where before failure is what keeps these massive rigs moving safely and efficiently. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. That's such a bold way to work. I've never seen anything like this before. Some people exchange chocolates, others exchange insurance info. Romantic, right? This Scania's real-world test on Uri Beach highlights its off-road capability. The reinforced chassis and smart traction system prevent bogging, proving its reliability in extreme conditions. Performance metrics such as tire load adaptation and engine response under strain confirm its suitability for sandy terrain. Let's witness this exciting ride. Man, what a waste of some fine rides. Those pros didn't even get a chance to hit the road. Talk about bad luck. But at least everyone walked away in one piece. Ever wondered how a 50-ton beast like the Doosan 340 moves? It's all in the tech. Hydraulic axles adjust dynamically, weight distribution systems keep it balanced, and specialized load platforms handle the weight. This is more than a truck, it's a precision-engineered transport system in action. The future of heavy hauling is here. Before hitting the road, every Cat 627H scraper goes through a pre-haul check, hydraulic locks engaged, frame integrity inspected, and weight distribution verified. Heavy equipment secured load ensures smooth transport, preventing shifts that could damage the machine or the trailer. Every detail matters. All logistics are set, and it's go time. The heavy-duty Cat 627H scraper is rolling out from the site, ready for its next mission. Wow, this road is absolutely breathtaking. It must be an exhilarating drive. Deep in the heart of Norway lies Trollstigen, a marvel of engineering and nature. This legendary road, with its sharp switchbacks and narrow passes, tests both man and machine. Truckers navigating this route display unmatched skill, turning a simple drive into a high-stakes challenge. Oh, pit them off. FlexiRus D65 versus D550, which one would you choose? Both drilling rigs are built for top performance. The D65 stands out for its precision, while the Di550 delivers raw power. One offers durability, the other excels in speed. Look at this train. UP4014, Big Boy, is one of the largest steam locomotives ever built. UP844, known as the Living Legend, is the last steam engine Union Pacific ever made, and it's still rolling for special events and excursions. Respect. Testing the Trail King 800 under a 400,000 pounds load is a stress test for both machine and operator. The 40-plus axles must distribute force evenly to avoid structural failures, while the Mercedes-Benz tractor must deliver controlled torque. Real-world trials ensure reliability, checking hydraulic response, brake performance, and adaptive suspension under extreme pressure. All right, gearheads, we're checking out one of the most insane hauls ever, the Trail King 800 with a 400,000 pounds transformer. This beast has over 40 axles, and the sheer size is mind-blowing. Mercedes-Benz power makes it all happen, but the real magic is in the planning and execution. Stick around for an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at how extreme hauling works. Man, that's experience right there. Anyone saying is reckless has never hauled a serious load before. Controlled chaos, my friend. That's how the best drivers keep things in line. Waiting in Siberia's unforgiving landscape, one of the world's most advanced polymer plants is taking shape. This massive polymer facility in Siberia relies on Mammoet to move its oversized components, requiring unparalleled planning and execution. From self-propelled modular transporters to innovative rigging solutions, this is a masterclass in heavy lift engineering, reshaping Russia's industrial landscape. Everything is set for the lift. Mammoet is orchestrating a breathtaking dance with a 1,600-ton wash tower, gracefully lifted by the PTC 200DS crane in Louisiana. It's awe-inspiring how we transform raw materials from the earth into monumental structures, showcasing human ingenuity. The sheer audacity of keeping that tower perfectly straight during the lift, absolutely magical. When faced with the roundabout in Redova, the Bendishet transport team couldn't take the conventional route. Their solution? Drive against traffic, swap the prime movers, and continue the journey safely. This is a perfect example of strategic thinking and top-tier driving skills in the world of heavy transport. Do you remember the Peterbilt 362? Let's go back to 1981 when a hay hauler loaded with hay rolled out of Walnut Grove, California. Anthony Peters drove it down wide-open highways, a true king of the road. But now, these trucks are slowly fading away, victims of California's strict emissions regulations. If you're looking for a transformer station, don't settle for anything less than the best. GPER custom-built stations offer top-notch quality and reliability. Investing in precision engineering now means fewer headaches later. Choose wisely, and your infrastructure will thank you. From daring maneuvers to jaw-dropping machinery, we've witnessed the art of heavy transport. Drop a 1 in the comments if you were amazed, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible journeys.